So now we have our sections, and before filling the content inside, we would like this space here to be empty, so not to have overlapping content in front of the sections. We can achieve this with adding padding in front of each of the sections. Also, we would like to add padding on the left and the right of each section. So we'll just type section, and inside we'll give a padding of 3 rem units. So when we refresh, we see that this is empty and the website is shown properly. When we are on mobile, we would like to reduce the padding on the left and right. So we can grab this code and enter in the targeting of the mobile website and just enter 1 rem here. And when we refresh, we see that the content is spread nicely on mobile, and of course we can keep the 3 rem padding for the top, so we'll just type padding top 3 rem and place this padding below this rule so it can be activated. I refresh and see the mobile is looking quite nice, and the desktop version also have a nice padding here. Next, we'll continue with our profiles. Okay, now we will create our profile section. So we'll type here profile, and when we refresh on the menu, we should say profile and contacts. So let's create the content for the profile. This is section 3. So here inside, this is the title. And we'll have a class of a profile here within a div element, and inside of this div element we'll place user profile image. It will also have a class of image. Let's say we'll get it from the images. It will be a woman JPEG. When we save, we should have here our image. Okay. We'll fill in more information about the profile. We'll give it a name, then a job, let's say web designer. Afterwards, this will be our description of the profile. So we'll grab some information from here, and inside within the class of description, we'll place all this information. We'll close the div. And so far, we should have this structure inside here. Profile, web designer, the name, and everything else. Also, we will need to have links to our social icons. So we will give a class of FAB and then FA Twitter. This will get our social icons from the front also. And then the same for LinkedIn. And also for the mail, we can type mail to webdesigner@site.com, and we'll give a class of FAR and then FA envelope. These are default classes in the font Awesome. We close the link, so our links should be appearing also in the code here. Of course, they should be inside of this div.